Oh, just listen to the roar of lion. So guys, here is the map of Sri Chamarajendra Zoological Gardens. So guys, let me tell you a few interesting facts about Sri Chamarajendra Zoological Garden. So it is one of the oldest zoological garden in Asia, established in 1892 by then ruler Sri Chamarajendra Wadiyar. That time used to be in area of just 10 acres, and it was a kind of unique garden that time, but later it extended up to 10 folds, and now it spreads across staggering 100 acres of land. The best season to visit Mysore Zoo is the winter season, because in summer most of the animals they stay hidden because of the scorching sun. Again, for bird lovers, you should visit this zoo during morning time, because most of the birds they are active during morning, so you can plan accordingly. So Mysore Zoo is located at the heart of Mysore city, just 2 kilometers from the world famous Mysore Palace and around 3 kilometers from Mysore bus stand, so it can be easily accessible. And here we enter into carnivore zone, and big cats are the major attraction at this zoological garden. Oh, these are leopards. These are African cheetahs. Oh, just listen to the roar of lion. Oh. Oh man, just listen to the roar of this lion. So today I'm so lucky that I got the glimpse of white tigress. Her name is Manya. So guys, you must visit this zoological garden, then only you get to know that why this garden is among the best zoological garden in the world. Today I'm feeling so fortunate that I spotted all big cats. That is leopard, then I spotted white tigress, her name was Manya, and now king of jungle, lion. Oh, so here is the Saras crane, and it is the tallest flying bird of the world. Oh, and again it is the largest bird of India too. So the lifespan of this bird is around 20 years, and the size is around 1.5 to 1.75 meters. So friends, this bird is as tall as the size of human. The average size of this bird is around 1.5 meters. Here is the Malabar giant squirrel. Now just look at this giant Malabar squirrel hanging upside down. So this squirrel is red in color. Guys, again these are golden pheasant. They are having long tail. And these are sun conure. Oh. Baba. These are southern white rhinoceros. So they are from South Africa, Namibia, Zimbabwe, Kenya, and Uganda. Oh, just look at this. There are two rhinos. One is here and another one is walking behind. And here we are in the section of elephants. Here is meerkat. So meerkat is a small carnivore. So guys, here is the meerkat. So guys, this used to be the Royal Heritage squeeze cage. Here is the hippo. So because of the huge body of hippo, it is quite difficult for hippo to move. Still he is moving.
So just can you mark it red? Can you mark it red? Oh my God.
So guys, these are black swans. Here is the zone for star tortoise and Indian flap-shelled turtle.
Body man star shape. Are you star tortoise? Alva. Oh, illodo. It's a tortoise.
Oh, just look at this big giraffe.
ಜಿರಾಫ್ ಮುಟ್ಟೋದು ಕಾಲಿಂದ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಒದಿತಾ ಗೊತ್ತಾದ ಮಗ ಪಂಚ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಲೆಗ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅದು ನೋಡ ಲೆಗ್ ಹೆಂಗಿದೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಲೆಗ್ ಪವರ್ಫುಲ್ ಅದು ಲಯನ್ ಅಟ್ಯಾಕ್.
So guys, Mysore Zoo is one of the most visited tourist place in India, and every year it receives around 3 million of tourists. So here There is a retail outlet of Mysuru sandal shop and zoo souvenir shop if you want to purchase something. So friends, Mysuru Zoological Garden is the must visit place in Mysuru. It is one of the oldest and largest zoological garden in whole Asia, so do not miss this place.